Okay, we're going to take this graph and we're going to write the equation of the graph. Usually we give you the equation and we ask you to graph it, but now we're going to take the graph and we're going to write the equation. Begin by noticing your zeros. You've got one at -1, +1, and 2. Those are the important areas there. And the graph at -1 crosses, at +1 it touches, and at 2 it crosses. Remember, if it crosses, it's an odd power. If it touches, it's an even power. So crossed, we turned it back into the factor. The power is the understood 1. At 1, we turned it back to the factor. X minus 1, the power is 2. At 2, the factor became x minus 2. Okay. So far, that's what you've got. So you would look at what you've got up here. You want the ones that have an x plus 1, an x minus 1 squared, and an x minus 2. If you look through, the only two that actually have that are A and B, with A having a positive 1/2 and B having a negative 1/2. Okay, now remember this started low and ended low. Even degree negative. 1x, x squared, 3, and another x is 4, total of a 4th power. So it should look, with it being negative, should be like that. So instead of the 1/2 being positive, we want the one being negative, and that is the negative 1/2. And if you were to plug in 0 into here, you should end up with the answer of 1, which is where the graph crosses the y-axis.